What's up guys? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. Today I'm going to show you how you can get beautiful shaped ombre looking brows by just using one eyebrow pencil. That's it. The Motives eyebrow pencil in dark brown. It's the effect where it goes from light to dark, just like this. Yes. So if you want to find out how to get ombre brows looking just like this, then honey baby, stick around. Okay, so the first step that I'm going to start with is I'm going to lighten the heads of the brows, okay, so that we can get that nice ombre effect. I'm going to be going in with Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, okay, and I'm just going to be putting a little bit here because my brows are very, very dark, and so if it would be very, very difficult for me to get that nice gradient effect. So I'm just going to start off by concealing here, okay. It doesn't have to be a really clean. Just do that and use your finger to blend it in, and then we're going to be going in with the next eyebrow product. Wow. Once you finish with that, we're going to be going in with the eyebrow product. Now today I'm using Motives Cosmetics, and this is their eyebrow waterproof automatic eyebrow pencil in dark brown. So let's just open it up. First of all, with this eyebrow pencil, look how much product you get. Now if you were doing your brows, that would probably last you, if you're doing them every day, a good 6 months. Okay, so, and it's got a nice little spoolie on the end as well. So we're just going to brush that through like so. And let's begin. So what you want to do is you just want to start from the middle and feather it all the way up to the arch. Bring it up to the arch and then down to the tail. Okay, so we're just darkening that side of things. Now let's go to the top. Same thing. Starting from the middle of the brow, up and down. Okay, once you've finished filling in this bottom line here to the tail, and then this top line here to the tail, make sure that you don't draw it all the way. We want to go ahead and fill in. So, just with light feather strokes, we're going to go in and fill it in all the way to the tail. Now we're going to use the spoolie to actually blend it, okay? So see how I'm just feathering it in? I'm basically bringing this color over to here and just blending it up. Okay, now don't worry if it looks really messy because we're going to use concealer under here to clean up this line and foundation on top. So it should just look something like this. Okay, once you finish filling it in, okay, where the tails look fairly dark, this section here will kind of look a little bit messy, but that's absolutely fine. We're going to clean it up. So I want you to grab your Motives Eye Base or any other concealer. Okay, this one's mine here. Put a little bit on the brush. Okay, just make sure. And what we're going to do is we're going to clean up that line to now make them look really, really snatched. Okay, let's do it. All right, once you've finished doing the bottom under here with the eye base or a concealer, we're going to do exactly the same at the top using foundation. Okay, so grab your foundation, grab a brush. I'm going to be using Motives Cream Foundation today. Get a little bit here. And we want to use a foundation because we don't want it to be too light on the top. We want it just to blend into our forehead. So let's start carving. Okay, so once you have finished doing the top and the bottom, then you can clearly see that you've got nice, beautifully defined brows, but you have an ombre effect. So it's lighter through here and it's darker at the ends. Okay, so I'll give you a closer view. Now, even though it still looks a little bit messy, don't worry, because once you apply your makeup and everything is blended in, it will really look gorgeous, I promise you, okay? So I have absolutely no makeup, but I am ready to begin. I'm going to do my full face of makeup and I'll come back and show you the final result. And that brings us to the end of the eyebrow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments, then leave them down below, see if I can help you. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.